afternoon. My name is Rohit Chopra, and I am from Ghaziabad. So I'm a very die-hard fan of Mahindra vehicles, and I've been using vehicles for last 10 years. Earlier, I was driving XUV 500. Now I've been using Mahindra Altroz G4. I'm planning to buy XUV 700 now. So team here in Mahindra is absolutely wonderful team. They are very cooperative, and I don't see any kind of difficulty, any kind of problems getting my car service here, and it is more like a family. So they create a WhatsApp group. So that WhatsApp group is actually very good because you come to know what is going on with your car and when are you going to get it. So you don't need to wait here for quite long. Last but not the least, I would like to ask Mr. Anand Mahindra, what made him stop Mahindra Altroz G4? It is one of the best SUVs I've been driving so far, and I don't feel like selling it. So you can drive Legender, you can drive Ford Endeavour, but the kind of comfort you are having in Mahindra Altroz G4, you will not get anywhere. So this is the question which is always haunting me because I know this has been stopped now, but I don't want to sell it. So I request Mahindra sir to please continue this production and let people enjoy the luxury of Mahindra. Thank you so very much.